Hello, this is Berzinsky for Beardbrand, and today we're going to do advanced mustache styling, and I'm going to talk about 5 classic mustache shapes. How my mustache is right now would be called a walrus, and some people have likened it to a schnauzer, but just pretty much a loose hangover. You understand where the term comes from, a walrus. And then what I typically wear would be called a Hungarian. Now, a Hungarian is a very low-hanging but curled, turned under, curled mustache. So as I said before, I've done a handlebar. Another name for a handlebar is actually an imperial. So when you web search online, you'll see imperial interchanged with handlebar a fair amount. So the chevron is similar to the clip that I did where I made my big mustache small. Typically a mustache that's small, tail's hidden, and just pretty much a standard looking mustache. And then there actually is the one that I want to talk about today, which is actually the English. So those are the 5 classic styles. So today we're going to do, as I said, the English style mustache, which is actually a mustache that's parted in the middle, fully off the lip, and goes straight out. And so not a mustache that you see worn a lot, but I want to show you how to actually do that. If you go online and search it, you'll see a lot of guys actually do. It's very popular in a competition set. One famous person who did a variation on the English would have been Salvador Dali, who took an English mustache going straight out and angled it up slightly. Not a curl like a handlebar or an imperial, but a Salvador Dali. So it's actually an official mustache terminology that's used in competition. So let's get started. I'll show you how I do the English mustache on this current beard and mustache. The key to styling any presentation mustache is obviously product. I'm going to use a hair dryer to get the hair blown in the direction that I want to go, and I'm going to use the moisture of sea salt spray to do that. I'm going to add product by adding styling balm, and I'm going to use wax. And if I have to, I will add another secret ingredient. So let's get started here. I'm going to take the sea salt spray, and we're using Cherry Ranger here, and I'm going to put that in my mustache. Using a Beardbrand mustache comb. And this comb is great. They used to be smaller, and I actually like this length. You can use this on your eyebrows, and in a pinch, you can actually use this as a hair comb. So that's actually a great size if you want to carry it in your shirt pocket. And of course, you can use this in your beard. So with my mustache wet, I'm going to part it in the middle. And what I want to do is I want to blow the hair out to the sides as much as possible. What I'm doing with that is applying heat and then hitting it with the cold button to cool it off to set the style. What I'm trying to do is get a part there and get this lower hair off of my lip and get it up into the curl. So I want to get the hair up into the curl. So what I'm going to do now is take some styling balm. So as I said, this is all about product. And so I'm going to liberally put this in my hair. You can see I'm using a lot of this. So I'm going to hit that with the hair dryer. So splitting the part, trying to get the hair up as much as possible. The styling balm has some hold in it, but it does not obviously have as much hold as a wax would. So now I'm going to take wax. Thought there was no more room for product. There's more room for product here. And as I've talked before, what I do is to warm the wax up, I'm going to hit it with a hair dryer. Applying that, hitting the underside to get as much wax into my mustache as possible. And now pulling that into the tails. So that's generally what we're looking at. You can actually see that mustache wax has hold, but for a presentation mustache that's trying to defy gravity as well as the curls that you have in your hair, sometimes you'll reach for something else. So in this case, I could go back to the Elmer's glue stick, put a hit of that in there. Another option is you can just take any old hair gel. And so what I take is a dollop of hair gel, put it in my comb, not too much, and put that into the curl here. So that's how we're defying gravity there with the use of a lot of product. And it's a lot of product. I don't do this every day, obviously. You've seen how I've worn my mustache, more like the Hungarian style, which can have not so much product. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do the other side, and then so I'll be back in a minute. So I'm back, both sides style, in an English style that has a tendency to go somewhat dully. You have to practice this. This is something that is not for the beginners. So play around with products, how much you need, how much you want. Some guys can do this with only wax, and some guys have to go to the secret ingredients to get this day. So comment below, tell us what you think about extravagantly styled mustaches and whether you would do that. And I'm just curious how many of you rock a handlebar or an imperial or an English, and what is your mustache preference? Comment below and tell us. And until we meet again next time, beard on.
Beardbrand is a premium men's grooming company with products not only for your beard, but also your hair and body. Do yourself a favor and head over to beardbrand.com and take care of yourself. Or you can stick around and watch a few more of our awesome videos.